Welcome to the Animal Color Quiz. Get ready to explore the amazing colors of the animal kingdom. In this quiz, we'll discover how animals use color to hide, stand out, and even send messages. You'll answer some fun true or false questions about different animals and their colors. Don't worry if you don't know all the answers. This quiz is all about learning something new and surprising about nature. Are you ready to start? Let's find out just how colorful the animal world can be.
1. A giraffe's tongue is purple to protect it from sunburn. True or false?
Yes, the answer is true.
2. Foxes are always orange in color. True or false?
Yes, the answer is false.
3. The black and white coloring of a panda helps it hide in snowy and rocky areas. True or false?
Yes, the answer is true.
4. Flamingos are born white and turn pink due to the food they eat. True or false?
Yes, the answer is true.
5. Cheetahs have black tear marks under their eyes to reduce glare from the sun. True or false?
Yes, the answer is true.
6. All chameleons change color to blend in with their background. True or false?
Yes, the answer is false.
7. Koalas have a brown and white coat that helps them blend into eucalyptus trees. True or false?
Yes, the answer is true.
8. Seahorses can change color to blend into coral and seaweed for protection. True or false?
Yes, the answer is true.
9. Male cardinals are bright blue, while females are brownish blue. True or false?
Yes, the answer is false.
10. Black panthers are actually leopards or jaguars with dark fur due to extra melanin in their skin. True or false?
Yes, the answer is true.
Go twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.